Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw SCP-999. Now, if you guys have any other different SCPs that you'd like to learn how to draw, definitely let me know and post it in the comments down below. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with SCP-999, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a nice big sad face. So let's begin here. We're just going to draw a line that's going to come up and down like this. Next, starting right here, we're going to make the arm. So I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come down, just like that. Now, starting over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and we're going to come down just a little bit. When we come down here, we're going to go down and up and down and up again. Next, you want to bring this line in just a little bit. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and it's going to curve around and come over towards the middle. And starting here, we're just going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up like this. I want to start right down here, and we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and I'm going to bring it all the way up to the arm here. I want the arm to kind of come in here a little bit. Now, starting up here, we want to make the face. I'm going to begin by drawing an oval shape right here for one of the eyes. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another oval shape over here for another eye. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve right here. And I'm going to make another one that's going to curve right here. And I'll make one that curves down here, and one more that's going to curve down here. Next, we're just going to color this in. So I'm just going to color right in between these two little curved lines that I made. And we're just going to fill these in so that we can make the eye in here. Now, once we have that, we want to make the mouth. So I'm going to begin right up here. You want to draw a line that's going to go down and up one more time over here. It's going to look like a little mustache. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then up like this. Now, on here, because he's kind of made of almost like a jelly or kind of like a gelled form, we're going to make a couple little lines that are just going to make it look like he's kind of like mushy. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go down and up. I'll put another one over here. I'll draw a little one on his arm. And I'll put one more on this arm. And that's just going to make him look like he's a little bit more kind of like, gelled or kind of a little bumpy, gooey looking. And the last thing I want to do is I'm going to add a little lollipop in his hand. So to do this, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down and another line that comes down here with a little line that connects it. Right above it, we're going to make a nice big circle shape, and we're going to curve this around in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of SCP-999, or the Blob, or the Tickle Monster. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.